Good evening. This is night view from our poultry farm. Apart from the fact that we are running a layer farm here, we are equally processing our chicken waste into renewable energy. You can see this is the source of waste from the chicken. It drops here. This is taken into anaerobic digester where it is processed into biogas to produce gas for cooking, where it's produced gas for power generation, and where it's produced gas for space heating, as well as organic material for fertilizing the soil. In our scenario here, we use the electricity to run the farm, you can see, and we equally use the electricity to produce water into this piping for watering the pen so that we can have clean water for the chicken. You can see they are enjoying their feed. Night view. You can see they are all set. You can see, and this is our generator that converts the biogas into electricity to run the farm. You see. And we have some of our tools here. We have some of our tools here to fix whatever we want to fix here. Finally, we send this into house to be used there. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed. Bye bye.